morning class, myself Palvi Anand and I welcome you all in the session of Social Studies Standard 3. Today in this session we will discuss the political division of India. How the India is politically divided into the 29 states and the union territory. So let's get started. We will discuss all together. You can see here the political map of India, where our India is extended from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat from the west to the Arunachal Pradesh in the east. This is the political division of our India. You can see here Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Here is Bihar, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Bengal, and see, this is our Jharkhand. This place is our Jharkhand. Here we somewhere our place Goda is also you can find. Okay. So Chhattisgarh you can see, Madhya Pradesh. Next is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Then Tamil Nadu, and the lower side will be our Kanyakumari. You can also see the all the types of rivers and all the types of the water bodies also available. You can see Arabian Sea. Here is the Pakistan. The neighboring country of India is Pakistan. Then Afghanistan. Here you can see Bhutan. Okay. So these are the political division of India. You can see this portion is a Sri Lanka. This portion is Sri Lanka. So India is politically divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Our India is the 7th largest country. Our India is the 7th largest country after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Australia, Brazil. Which are the 6 more larger than country than India? They are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Australia and Brazil. Okay. Then on the 7th number our India is there, which is the 7th largest country according to the area. According to the area. So India is the 7th largest country according to the area after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Australia, Brazil and then our India. Okay. Our India's extent, our India, the area of India, our India is from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. From Kashmir to, here you can find Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And here is a Kanyakumari. From Kashmir to the topmost is the north side, there is Kashmir, and in the bottom there is Kanyakumari. In the east west side you can find Gujarat. This is the Gujarat. And in the east you can find Arunachal Pradesh. So these all the states are united together to form our India. Our India is the known for the tradition, known for the variants. In India, so many states, so many union territories combined together to form a beautiful India. Beautiful variant are there. So many things you can find. Jammu Kashmir, their culture are different. So many. India is known for its culture, for tradition. India is known for the festivals. India is known for the dresses they wear. The rituals they perform, the marriage ceremony, everything is beautiful in our India. So political division of India we will study, in which we gonna study the 29 states and its capital. Okay, one by one we will study the political divisions and the 29 divisions of India. Though India is divided into 29 states and 9, before there was 7 union territories, but now after the Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh was added, now there are 9 union territories. So 29 state and 9 union territories. Remember it, 29 state we will discuss one by one. Okay, then 9 union territories after adding on Jammu and Kashmir and Leh Ladakh. Okay, so though India is have a very different 29 state and 7 union territories, but whole India are same. 29 states in India, but the people, the love for their country, the love, respect for their country, is very same in all the state peoples, all the Indians. There are unity, there are diversity, but there are unity also. So we can say there is unity in diversity. There are 29 states in India. There are so many folks in the every kilometer. When we move from our place, from every kilometers, there are from the couple after every couple of kilometers, there is a difference in languages, different in the caste, different in the religious. We can find very commonly in India. So you can say that there are so many diversities in India, but though there are diversity, there is a unity in all the diversities. Whether the people from Jammu Kashmir or the people from Kanyakumari, whether the people from Gujarat to the people of Arunachal Pradesh, they all have same love, same respect, same type of feelings for their country, India, isn't it? So let's start. We will discuss one by one the name of the state and their national capitals. So first one is Andhra Pradesh and the capital is Amravati. First one is Andhra Pradesh and the capital is Amravati. Second one is Arunachal Pradesh and the capital is Itanagar. Third is Assam, capital Dispur. Bihar, capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tribhuvanpuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Then Maharashtra, Mumbai. Then Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Singaul. Then Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Then Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And then West Bengal, Kolkata. These are the name of 29 states with their respective capitals. There are so many type of folk, so many type in 29 states. There are more than 29 types of languages people used to speak. They used to speak different languages. They used to celebrate the particular festival in a different way. They used to speak the different languages. Their folks are different. Their rituals are different. But there is the same, that they all respect their country. And the union territories are also there. Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, then Chandigarh, then Dadar and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, National Capital Territories of Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Pondicherry, then Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir is also being added to the union territories nowadays. So these all are the 7 union territories, 9 union territories and 29 states of India with their respective capitals. The people, those who are living in this country, have the same feeling, they have the same respect for the countries. Now, we will discuss some of the 7 sister states in the northeastern part. In the northeastern part of our map, you can see here, this is the northeastern part of our map of our India. This is the northeastern part of India. There are the 7 sisters state in the northeastern part of India is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, then Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Okay, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Tripura. These are the, okay, so this is the northeast part of our map, and 7 sisters of India are, you can see here, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura and Mizoram. These are the 7 sister state of India. So just go through this, learn it. and just have a same respect and same feeling for our country India. Thank you so much for this. So these are the political division of India. Go through it again and again and you will understand. Thank you.